हाय बिफोर आई स्टार्ट हियर इज मी इन अ वॉइस ओवर टेलिंग यू कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो। 50,000 हो गए तो मजे आ जाएंगे। बेल का बटन दबा देना और भी बेहतर। सारे रिव्यूज की खबर आती रहेगी।
रणवीर सिंह जोरदार, पिक्चर की स्टोरी ऑल्सो जोरदार, पूरी पिक्चर एज अ होल देखो बताती हूँ। Hey all, my name is Acharita. Welcome to my channel. You're watching a movie review where today I'm talking about Divyang Thakkar's Jayesh Bhai Jordar. Today's review is brought to you by Singhanias, where this sari is from. Look at it. At Singhanias, you will find hand-woven drapes that suit the modern woman who considers the humble 6 yards as a piece of Indian heritage. More details on this gorgeous sari and where you can buy it, review ke end mein dekho to. Now, Ranveer Singh is Jayesh, a young married man in a Gujarati village. His wife has had 6 forced abortions in an attempt to have a son.
देखना इस पर नान का ही आएगा।
They already have a 9-year-old daughter, Mane. Jayesh has been complicit in his family's ill treatment of his wife Mudra, played by an excellent Shalini Pandey. On finding out they're having another girl, something snaps in Jayesh's head and he convinces his wife and child to pack their bags and run. A YouTube video has told him of a village in Haryana, Ladopur, where women have all but vanished due to female feticide, and hence the men in that village have become repentant and are promising a haven for any woman fleeing the patriarchy. Jayesh के हाथ में प्लान की जगह एक रफ हैंड ड्रॉन मैप है। घर की गाड़ी चुराकर they escape. So this movie exists in a place between slapstick and dark comedy. Ranveer is up to his usual high energy antics. He's jumping, dancing, pulling faces. Sometimes it's Charlie Chaplin, sometimes it's Ayushmann Khurrana. Rooted in reality, we get to see the drama behind the facade as well, the hurt behind the hilarity. See, Jayesh Bhai is not in distress. उसकी जिंदगी तो ओवरऑल सही चल रही थी अभी तक, पर ये सुपर हीरो ओरिजिन स्टोरी अभी जरा अराउंड द कॉर्नर है, वो उसको नहीं पता है क्योंकि ही सीन द एरर ऑफ द सिस्टम ही इज वेरी मच अ पार्ट एंड अपहोल्डर ऑफ. ट्रिगर बनता है व्हेन अ फीमेल गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट सीक्रेटली रिवील्स टू Jayesh that Mudra is about to have yet another girl. For finally the doctor is hoping that Jayesh will do the right thing and not let his family inflict more torture upon his poor wife. The जोरदार superhero he then turns into, क्योंकि that's who he is in the eyes of his daughter, that superhero does not have rippling muscle and he knows very well कि उसको outside help की जरूरत पड़ेगी क्योंकि वो खुद किसी को लपड़ा नहीं सकता. He can barely look a stranger in the eye. तो मोटा मोटी ये कहानी जयेश की है, मुद्रा की नहीं, जिसके ऊपर ये सब बीती. She is but a mere spectator in this film like she is in her own life. Screenplay by writer director Divyang Thakkar and Ankur Chaudhary taut है और engaging भी, क्योंकि एक के बाद एक mishaps होते चले जाते हैं, each nicely tying into what's coming up next. The writing keeps you guessing which horror is about to unfold, but it remains light-handed enough for the film to pass off as a comedy. It also helps that Jayesh has been given a preteen daughter with whom he shares a relationship of equals, क्योंकि Jayesh आज तक वही करता रहा है जो उसको मम्मी पापा ने सिखाया. तो he's also been a child only ना. Jia Vaidya is very sweet in this role and she seems to share a lovely relationship with co-star Ranveer. अच्छा, while the writing kept me guessing कि अगली दिक्कत कैसे आएगी and Jayesh कैसे उससे डील करेगा, the film is let down by the caricature evil villain character Jayesh's father, गांव का सरपंच, played by Baman Irani, with a very unpleasant scowl stuck to his face. The character offers no new insight, and once you know what Papa is about, Papa has no internal arc right up until the end. Baman Irani could have played this in his sleep. Ratna Pathak Shah does get an internal arc, but that too is highly predictable and follows a template we've seen before. Having said that, वो actor इतनी relatable है when she yells at her husband to speak to her with love. I cried, y'all. मैं literally रो पड़ी. I was as surprised as you. The road movie bits of the film are very enjoyable. You are rooting for these people and you're in the dark with them, not knowing who can be trusted because Papa has reached far and wide and everyone like Jayesh so far follows the Sarpanch's every command. One Bengali woman who helps Jayesh and Mudra escape from one moment of captivity is a fun little detour on the way, but did the Bengali woman really have to yell Ami Monjolika with a knife in her hand? Where also the writing falters is in failing to give credit and thanks to the village's local Gungat-clad rebellion, a group of women bandying in the night to cry together, but also a group which is ready to jump into action under the right leader. While Jayesh doesn't assume leadership position here, he does mansplain to this group through tears, mind you, the importance of a tender kiss between a couple. It's a spectacular Ranveer Singh performance. But this moment is also simultaneously the movie's weakest scene. To me, an homage to Mirch Masala in the end of this film, where the gaon ki auratein, instead of kutti hui mirch, toss scented sabun from a dupatta. into a group of women जिन्हें खुशबूदार साबुन से नहाने के लिए मना किया गया था गांव में so far. That moment works better than Jayesh's various monologues about things which need to change and how they should change. Jayesh Bhai Jordar the movie is an attempt to draw attention to a still all too common problem in India, hoping that this film's treatment will not just appeal to but also have recall with a huge audience. Mostly because it is Ranveer Singh talking. Female infanticide is grotesque and barbaric, but the film is making a larger point about the way women are still treated as secondary in their homes, before and after marriage. The movie is not subtle, it's not complex, it's rather simplistic, very much within the Ranveer Singh's cinematic universe. But does it work? Yes. Yes, it does. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Jayesh Bhai Jordar is one day, one hopes that not just one, but all men will stand up to fellow men. One day. तब तक फिल्में देखो. रणवीर सिंह तो है ही. Now, let me tell you a little bit more about the sari I'm wearing. It's from Singhanias, from their Rekhit collection, which goes live on Monday on their website, singhanias.in. I'm going to add a link to the description of this video. This contemporary Kalamkari collection that's going to go live on Monday was inspired by an illustration wall art drawn by artist Lina Kusaite at Dusseldorf. Tussar has been used as a base here for these saris and it provides a raw, organic visual texture. It's a love letter to Kalamkari. If you're in Hyderabad, you can go to Singhania's flagship store, which is on Banjara Hills, and you can also go to their luxury handcrafted store, which is in Jubilee Hills. But ये hills जाने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाना, ठीक है? मॉडर्न लव का रिव्यू भी डाला, देखा?